This is a Spectra baseball one box break 4553. We need to give away the Angels. We're going to spin this list of teams 5 times. The Angels are gone. Now, the team at the top after 5 will get the Angels as well as their own team. 4. Fifth and final spin. 5 is the Rays. Yes, please, Grayson. The Rays are with Tom McMahon. Tom McMahon equals Rays. No, not Rays. Idiot. Angels. Alright, fresh case for you lot. All 29 of you. Well, might be someone maybe has 2 spots. Don't know. Put that up there. We'll be using it again for the next break. Here we go. Good luck. It is a 2-box break. Thank you, Ken. I knew that. Ken keeping me on my toes. Tim Larson, yes. Yes, we can. Okay. Tabby, can I be... Never mind. Okay. I was going to be annoying, but I don't think I need to be. Let's just go like this. Bo Bichette. Not numbered. Rising rookie of Brent Rooker. Draw jewel jersey, in fact. That's what I was trying to say. Jewel jersey. Next card is numbered 5 of 8. It's a guy I've never heard of, but it looks bloody nice. Brennan Davis, dual patch auto. I don't know what's going on in the background. It's kind of like the die cuts from Spectra basketball. Same pattern. How good are those patches, Tabby? Wow. Can somebody tell me something about Brennan Davis? That's a stunning card. Yeah. Thick boy, Cody. Not you, the... Oh, actually, I will take another 2 packs of those top loaders you got before. 180? Yes, please. And a purple rookie of Jimenez. That is number 10 of 40 of all numbers. 40, Tabby. 40. Not sure. 10 of 40. Strange numbering placement. The Cubs' #1 prospect. So that could be a big boy one day. That's a good start then. I'm going to take that. Hey, Mac, there's 2 Spectra breaks, so you may have. Corey Seager. 25 of 50. Dustin May. Spectacle patch. That blue is good. It's like the Carolina blue in Prism Draft Picks. That is... I love that blue, Tabby. Well, I go on about it a bit. To 99, Jake Cronenworth, rookie patch auto. That is on card. San Diego. This is looking the goods. Blakey, I would get some more Spectra up for next week because the people are going to need it. And an orange rookie of Clark Schmidt. 18 of 20. Damo's back. We have I want to say it's a green die cut. It kind of looks cracked icy, but it's just a weird pattern in the background. Of Anthony Rendon. It is numbered 10 of 25. As you know, any die cut card straight into the thick sleeve, you get that extra space. Just a lot easier to put into the sleeve and the top loader, and there's still plenty of room. That's some little free advice for you. 10 of 25. You'll know you're trying to bang in and you catch a corner, game over. 18 of 50 triple jersey building blocks, Dane Dunning. Dale, we should do something to celebrate. Celebrate what? What's the occasion, Robert? To 199, Anderson Tejeda, rookie patch auto, again on card. Who do you have, Andrew B? You've got the Padres. Did you hit something? Oh, him. Cronenworth. Yes, good. Tejeda. How's he looking, Andy B? The old Crone dog. I assume that's what his mates would call him. Hey, Crone dog, want to come and have a hit? That's what they'd say. Braylon Marquez, blue. Who knows, Tammy? 27 of 50. These base colors are real nice. Crone Zone is his name. Oh, what did I say? I thought it said Cronenworth. I'm an idiot then. Apologies. Blue die cut of Miguel Sano. I am Keem, says, you soldier boy, tell him. 34 of 45. For Minnesota. Amax out. Dallas Kushel, 36 of 50. Max Impact jersey. Will Crow to 99. Rookie patch auto for Pittsburgh. Magda, I'm sure that break is already listed as full. Oh no, that was the one 2 left. Okay, good work, Magda. I'll allow it. Good work, Maggie. I don't know what that pattern is called, but it looks cool. Shane McClanahan. It's kind of like a Star Trek intro. 49 of 75. Dale, you did a great job breaking this week and feeling for Blakey, and we want to thank you. No, don't thank me. I thank you for not just bailing on us, which was my fear at the start of the week. 33 of 40 on the Ben Tendi. So thanks to all of you out there for the week. You've made it very easy. Even Magda. 44 of 75 Epic Legends jersey. Little tiny baby jersey. Pedro Martinez. I think the only break left tonight that would have spots left is Diamond Icons and maybe just Diamond Icons. Our redemption, I should have used that. I need my special reveal card, which you can't get anywhere. Spectra rookie jersey autographs neon pink card 127 Sam Huff. Big Huffy. I'm gonna look him up. because I don't know who Sam Huff plays for. Sam Huff. Texas. Thank you, Ringer. Rangers. Huffy is good. Not sure if you're talking about that player or the slot machine. Little pokies. Thanks, Dale. Throw me a Ferrari. All right. Blue Kyle Lewis. You'll need to get one of these blues in hand to just truly appreciate how nice that is. 33 of 50. 10 of 20. Isaac Paredes. That's a big old patch. It's only one color, but it is a patch. Brilliance patch. Robert, if you want to thank me, buy the last teams in Diamond Icons, because we've been trying to fill that since Monday, and we've opened a lot of nice stuff this week, but I haven't wanted to see anything more ever than that box of Diamond Icons opened. So just take the last few teams there. It'll only cost you a lot of money. That's all right. Evan White, rookie patch auto to 99. All these rookie patch autos are on card, which is great. It's a very expensive product, Nico. Very. Let's hope it's very much worth it, or else I'm not going to break for you guys on Monday. Daniel Lynch. No, I'm not breaking anyway, so make it work that way. That's number 19 of 45. Oh, has it? Is it that long, Jimmy P? Wow, then this is... Another Diamond Icons, Blake, or another Spectra? Stephen Piscotti. That's called meta in basketball. Let's hope it's called the same here. They don't give them names in this. That is numbered 2. It's not numbered. It's literally not numbered. One of them. Pretty sure like 25 in the basketball. In baseball, they say stuff you, mate. Number? No. 11 of 25. Lewis Brinson. That's a big old jumbo jersey ribbed for Lewis's pleasure. Oh. For Lewis's pleasure. Oh. Come on, Lewis. This part. To 199, Mickey Moniak. It's good when you get a jersey like the Hornets in basketball where it's got pinstriping, so it can make a plain jersey look kind of cool. And Adonis Medina. Funky Cold Medina. 55 of 75. I'm not understanding what Blake is getting up. Is he getting up another Spectra with fillers? With like a extra price added to fill up Diamond Icons? Is that what's happening? Austin Hayes, 5 of 75. 4 of 5. I know this guy's an epic legend like the card suggests. Greg Maddux. Little cheeky 3-color patch. Blake's asking if you want Gold Label or Spectra. I reckon after they see this, it could be Spectra because this has been bloody nice. There is a little bit of damage on the bottom there. You can see it's peeled up a bit. If you did want to get it replaced one day, just show them this video. 4 of 49. That is a rookie patch auto of Brady Singer, KC. Yes, Chris, we have one more Spectra box to do, and then we're probably into that. And the last one, it's called Rookie Aura, and it's Jake Cronenworth, San Diego Daddies, Andrew Buchanan. If he was happy with that other card, he'll be very happy with this because there's a lot going on. It's numbered 1 of 8. The big old crony. It looks like when you spill petrol onto the asphalt and you get that cool little psychedelic-y looking spill color. That is it for 4553. That was good.